to do still. I'm sorry. I took my jersey off. Sorry. My bad. What was I gonna... Oh! So we went shopping yesterday, as you guys know. And, looky what I got again. Looky what I got again. I actually haven't had one because I thought the bananas were too underripe. I got bananas. And I got avos, but the avos are ripen at home avos. So I gotta wait to eat them for a while. And I'm very excited. I bought lots of stuff for us to, what's up, Scotto? I bought lots of stuff for us to braai. We've got 2 different chicken things. We've got 2 packets of vort. I brought steak. I bought more popcorn. We bought ice cream. We got juice. We got fruits and veg again, which is really nice. Aw, freak out. Who hosted? There hasn't been a natural banana in the... Well, if you look back in history, apparently the banana, the original banana, that was like the proper banana, did not look like that. It looked completely different to that. So what we eat now and what we call bananas are not the same. But I still love my bananas. And I must say, I normally buy... Yesterday they didn't have a huge selection of bananas, so I just grabbed whatever I could find. But I normally buy organic bananas because if I don't, I can actually taste the difference. Like the other ones just taste like nothing. The non-organic ones they literally just taste like nothing. The organic ones are quite sweet and they actually have a nicer texture. So I don't know if these are not organic. These ones are just like, I don't know, made in a lab somewhere, but whatever. I did not get burgers, no, because they didn't have the burger patties that I normally like to buy. There was a lot of, oh, it was you, Pope. Thank you very much for the host. It didn't show up on my chat list. They had almost everything, but they didn't have burgers. They didn't have, what else did I want that I couldn't find? They didn't have frozen, like, berries. Like, normally Woolworths sells, like, frozen berries, frozen mango, frozen strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. They sell these, like, smoothie mixes, you know, like a green mix and a red mix or whatever, and it's all frozen. They didn't have any of that.